Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of MicroCapDaily. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of MicroCapDaily.com, and today we're going to be discussing TRRI, SIRC, EMGE, HKD, and ilag. But before we get into that, with a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. MicroCap Daily and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at microcapdaily.com/SEC-disclosure. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Great week in pennies. Big runner of the week was TRRI, closed up 700%. Big reverse merger play, huge gap, but still there was plenty of opportunities. Opened at 52 cents, ran all the way to $2.20 before closing at $1.25. We put out a report on TRRI. Congratulations to subscribers that caught this move. For those of you that have been following MicroCapDaily.com for many years, know reverse merger stocks can be more explosive than biotechs, especially when the incoming company is real value but is undiscovered to investors. And we have covered many on the website that have gone from pennies to dollars. TRRI has an outstanding share count of just 1.5 million shares with a float of just 437,000 shares. So it was incredible to see the move on Friday. Not surprising, though, when you get these low float runners. The new company, Alzex Biomedical, is a Canadian-based development stage biopharmaceutical company which has developed and patented precision therapeutics for the treatment of Alzheimer's and other neurological diseases. It currently holds 2 families of patents via an exclusive and unlimited licensing agreement with INSA or INSA, a major French academic engineering and research institute. This new class of drugs do not deploy any biological activity before they've crossed the blood-brain barrier and hence do not induce significant side effects. The therapy can target specific receptor sites in a more selective way, forming a superior delivery system through the blood-brain barrier. So Alzheimer's, for those of you that don't, that is the holy grail of biotechs. There is no known treatment. So anytime there is a small cap, OTC, penny stock, whether it's even on NASDAQ, any company that's exploring any Alzheimer's treatment, these are hot tickers, and TRRI is certainly one to start paying attention to. Next up, guys, is Solar Integrated Roofing, SIRC. We've been pounding the table on this one over and over again here at MicroCapDaily.com. This is just an incredible runner. We said last week the company was breaking out as the fast-growing solar company sees record growth and sales. When we talked about it last week, it was trading at just a $89 million market valuation. The company has 421 million shares outstanding, and it's almost maxed out with authorized shares set at 560 million. Float just 327 millions, and SIRC can move fast. We know this here at MicroCapDaily.com. Our subscribers have been know this one for a long time. This one rocketed last year in early 2021 from just these same levels to $3 per share. Now the company's back near its historic lows, and the company's reporting record revenues. So when it was at $3, it wasn't doing nearly the revenues that it's doing now. It's doing over $110 million year-to-date sales. Incredible. This is certainly a company that deserves to be uplisted. Company has an aggressive acquisition strategy, and investors are paying attention. If you look at all the catalysts, based on, you have a compelling chart setup. It's in the right sector at the right time. Biden, Democrats, clean energy is hot. They have a partnership with Tesla for solar installations. And again, low market cap of just 88 million compared to over 110 million in sales. SIRC is now projected by Goldman Small Cap Research to be the fastest growing solar company by percentage among its public peers. And then, you add in the partnership with Tesla, and, SIRC has runner written all over it. Look at this beautiful chart. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Higher highs and higher lows. So again, great setup in SIRC. Congratulations to subscribers that got this move in SIRC, but we still see a lot more upside. We see SIRC going over the $1 mark. Next up is EMGE. We talked about this one last week. This was last week's big runner. Saw profit taking this week, but still it's a reverse merger play. There's a lot of stuff in play on EMGE. It's trading with just the $5.7 million market cap. There's 161 million shares outstanding out of 200 million authorized. 50 million are restricted, but it leaves just 25 million free trading shares and a float of just 4 million shares. EMGE is an exciting story developing in small caps. It is a shell, but they have getting ready to do revenues, and they're going to be closing these acquisitions. The company is in the process of completing 3 major acquisitions, including Fusion Specialty Pharmacy, which generated 3.8 million in revenues in 2021. And that was an approximate increase of 100% from 2020 revenues of 1.9 million. They are also acquiring Revolutionary Biologics, Biologistics, and just announced it is closing in on the acquisition of Regen Bio Wellness, a distributor of various products in the plant-based and regenerative medical fields. The acquisition is expected to close next week. President and CEO of Jim Morrison of Regen, he's joining Emergent's board of directors. He's also now going to become the full-time CEO. He is a legend in the personal care industry. He was most notably president of L'Oreal. L'Oreal is a major company, and while he was there, oversaw growth of 20% year over year. He engineered the acquisition of Medkin and Matrix, and he led the company during a period of unprecedented growth during his tenure. He has big plans for Emergent, including continued growth through acquisitions, becoming fully reporting, and uplisting to the big boards. There's a lot of catalysts here, and EMGE is one that we still like here at MicroCapDaily.com. Speaking of our alerts, make sure you sign up in any of the sign-up boxes with your email. We run a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service. We send out full reports just before the opening bell of stocks that we like, updates on past runners, updates on stocks that we've covered. It's a completely free service. It comes to you via email. You can also sign up with our text messaging service. Just text micro to 877-626-4696 or click the link in the welcome email. And again, it's a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Lastly, guys, incredible moves happening. HKD, which is AMTD Digital from Hong Kong, ran from $13 to over $2,500 for over 19,000% gains. Incredible move. And guys, we're seeing a lot more interest in these Hong Kong type plays. One that we've identified on Friday was ILAG, closed up $1.41, up 64%, and in the after hours it's $4.69 by $4.70, up another $1 in the afternoons. Congrats to subscribers that caught the move in ILAG. Again, a lot of things are happening, a lot of hot plays. HKD is over with. That's a dead play. You want to find new plays that are derivatives of HKD, and that's what we do here at MicroCapDaily.com. We look for these types of low flow plays. We look for biotech plays that are runners, and these reverse merger plays like EMGE and TRRI. With that being said, make sure you click that link in the description or go to microcapdaily.com, sign up in any of the sign-up boxes or on any of the articles, sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. With these hot markets, you do not want to miss any of our alerts. When the market is hot, you got to strike while the iron is hot, make that money, and that's what we are doing here at microcapdaily.com for our subscribers. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a great weekend, and let's crush the markets again next week. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.